Hello, Professor Azar. This is Osman Tahir. My student number is 3010755554. And I'm in a group with Florence. And in this video, I will show our solution for lab assignment number 3. In this assignment, we are asked to create a REST API with the Spring Boot for food bank donation system with seeker, food bank, and full stack information. For this project, we have created 4 packages. The first package is for controllers, and this package is responsible for processing incoming REST API requests, and they are notated with the REST controller REST notation. So this is the first controller that has the REST controller notation. The second package is for modules or entities. This module has the tables for the 3 information or classes, and these classes are joined with each other by their IDs as a foreign key. For example, this table seeker, it has an ID and it's joined to food bank as a foreign key. So this is the name of the table, and these are the IDs. The third package is for repositories. So this package has classes that extend from GPA repository that contains the full API of card repository and paginning and sorting repository. So this is the repository class. It's an interface. The fourth one is services package. The services package is responsible for having the logic methods, and it's notated by add service notation. This is the interface, and this is the implementation of the interface. And we are using Postman application to test our project, and for the front end we have used React to implement web interface for seeker information page. So let's run the project and test our REST API. So this is the Postman application, and for this project I have created 3 collections, one for food bank, the second for food stack, the third one for seeker class. So each class has get method, get request, delete, post, which is create, and put, which is update. So the first get returns a list of food bank names and their information, and the second get will read the food bank by its ID number. And the delete method, it's going to delete a food bank by its ID and will create a new food bank, and put method will update the food bank. So when I click on the read all food banks, this is the URL address. So when I click send, it's going to read all the food banks which is available in my MySQL table, and I have created a database called CRUD API, and these are the information about the food bank. It has ID, address, city, phone, website, email, and seekers, which is an array list of seekers, and the food bank name. If I want to retrieve a food bank by its ID, so when I click here, this is the ID. So let's check if we have an ID of 9. Yes, the food bank of ID of 9, it has an address, city, phone number, website, email address, and I can add a seeker for each food bank, and this is the food bank name. So if I want to delete the food bank with ID 9, I should click here, and I'm going to delete food bank number 9 with ID 9. Send. So it's giving me a status of 200, which is okay. So when I read all food banks, it should be deleted. So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 has been deleted. That means that it's working fine. So put create, it's going to create a new food bank. So if I copy this information, click on create, I'm gonna paste it here and delete the ID. Let's call it test. Click on send. It says 200 okay, so let's check number 9 with name test. So it has been created by ID number 11, and this is the name test, the email address test. So for the food stock, the same thing. When I click on read all food stock, so these are the food stock informations, entities. And if I want to read only one food stock by its ID, so when I click 3, it should return the food stock number 3. This one. Type food, banana, quantity, status, available. Delete, I'm going to delete number 3. It says 200, which is okay. So when I read all the food stock, number 3 is deleted. 1, 2, yeah, 3 is deleted. So when I want to create a new food stock, it's going to be by number 7. So create, first I need to copy this. Call it test. Let's see, it's not available. Quantity 0. Send. It says 200, which is okay. When I read all the food stock with ID 7, we have a food type of test, quantity 0, not available. The same thing for seekers. If I want to read all the seekers, I should click here, and this is the URL for the seekers. When I click send, it should read all the seekers. So I have with ID number 3, 4, 6, and 7. So let's say I want to read only number 3. Click here with ID number 3, and this is the seeker with ID number 3. If I want to delete the ID with number 3, I click here, 3 and 200, which is okay. So number 3 is deleted. If I want to check, click read all seekers. Yes, number 3 is deleted. So if I want to create a new seeker, first I need to copy this and create. Click here on create. I'm gonna call this seeker test. So when I read all the seekers, this is the new seeker, new test. So now if I want to create a new seeker, first I need to copy this information and click on update. So I'm going to update the seeker with ID 7. I'm going to call them test 2. When I read all the seekers, this is the test 2, number 7. So for the front end, we have used React to display our seeker table. So this is the seekers list that has an ID, first name, last name, age, gender, city, and phone number. So if I want to add another seeker by name, let's say Azure, and it should display a new row here. So I'm gonna open Postman to add a new user. So in the post application, I need to create a new user. So I go to the seeker collection and create a new seeker. So I need to copy this information. So I'm going to call this seeker Azure. Send. It says OK. So when I read all the seekers, a new seeker has been created by name Azure. When I refresh this page, the new seeker should be appeared here. Yes, this is the new user, Azure, and this is its information. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.